Hello students, today we are going to learn about scenario manager, and in the last videos we learned about data table in which we had one variable and we had maximum of two variables. But in this we can have up to 32 variables, 32. Now this is simple financial modeling numerical. So in this CFO has to present the profit in the three scenarios: recession, stable economy, and booming economy. Now, let us do first the financial modeling and then we'll link it to the what do you call that scenario manager. Let us start with say revenue. So, revenue for the current year and next year. Good. Okay. Let's do like this. Okay, now the current year, let us assume because it's not given. So, current year, let's assume at 1 lakh. And then we have these three variables. We'll assume them because it's not there in the numerical. So, what I will do is revenue growth rate. Revenue growth rate. Let us assume it at say 5%. Second is COGS. Let us assume it at say something like 55%. And the third one is OPEX. Let us again assume it as a growth of 5%. That's it. I hope it is visible. Now, if the revenue is 1 lakh, next year, what it will be? It will be current year multiplied. Yes. Into 1 plus 5%. Simple. So 1,05,000 is the revenue in the next year at a 5% growth. This is simple. And now, second thing which we have to look into is COGS. Guys, I hope you are doing with me. Simple लगता है, simple है नहीं. COGS, again, it is percentage of revenue. So I'm just taking the percentage of revenue. COG is 55% of revenue. So 57,750 is the COGS. And now we want to take out OPEX. It's not given. I assume it to be 15,000. And then what? And then I take 15,000 as a reference and I add the growth rate. What is the growth rate? 5%. Oops. Multiplication. So our model is automatically, I think it is done mostly. And then what is the profit, guys? Finance guys. Okay. revenue minus expenses, minus expenses, minus COGS, minus OPEX. 31,500 is the profit. Simple. कर लिया? I hope so, guys. You are doing with me. Okay. Now we have to link this. I hope I have not done any hard code. I have done all modeling. Yes. There is no number here. Everything is some formula. That's it. So financial modeling is over. Now I link it with what if analysis scenario manager. Go to data, what if analysis scenario manager. So previously I have done to tell somebody, so let me remove them. Now I add the first scenario. What is the first scenario? Recession. And then what is the changing cells? These three. Growth, revenue growth, COGS growth, and OPEX. Perfect. Then I change the first scenario. What is the, we'll do from the beginning. Minus 5%. Okay, I will take 5, no problem for understanding. Then 60%. 0.6. And then 2%. 0.02. I think it's right. 5%, 60%, and 2%. Okay. Add second scenario. Stable economy. Stable economy. Changing cells will remain same. Now stable economy 8%. Oops. Okay, 0.08. Then 55% ठीक है, 5% ठीक है. At booming economy. Booming economy. Okay. 15%. ठीक है. Second is 52. And third is 8. Okay, now changing cells. What do you, okay, sorry, summary and what you want to, what the result you want for these three scenarios. We need profit. Remove this. We need profit. And say okay. That's it. Perfect. The thing is, this thing has come like this. What I can do is revenue, COGS, and OPEX. So revenue, COGS, OPEX, and profit. Guys, so simple, really. This is the current value of the model which we assumed. This is for recession. Profit is 26,700. A stable economy is 32, higher than the recession. And booming is 39,000. That's the highest. So guys, we can do this particular scenario manager and we can show this report to the management and tell under various scenarios what will be the expected results. In this scenario report, the result is profit. in recession, what is the expected profit under the three changing variables, that is revenues, COGS, and OPEX. And we are having these three changing variables for three scenarios, that is in recession, stable economy, and booming economy. All these three scenarios, and in these scenarios, these three variables are changing, and based upon these variables which are changing, the profit is estimated. तो guys, that's all about. And now, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति क्वेश्चन तो पूछना ही पड़ेगा. The question is, why on the earth am I doing the calculation with scenario manager rather than the data table? And if still you don't know, guys, you need to see this video again because I've already answered this.